everyone. Today's topic of my lecture is Naxalism. Naxalism is a constant threat to India. Naxalism, the word Naxalism is from village Naxalbari in West Bengal. It was originated in 1967. The discontented peasants of the Naxalbari villages protested against the land owners. Naxalism is also Naxalism also includes the use of armed forces to overthrow the government and obtain their objectives. The main causes of Naxalism are the marginal and regional socio-economic disparities in the major tribal regions such as Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, etc. Mainly in the eastern and central part of India. Or other are the underdeveloped region not benefited by the various government programs such as educational programs. Other various infrastructures are not built in these areas are main causes of nationalism. Also the disputes over the land, the dominance of land owners. The main problem is also arises due to this. The government has taken many steps to control nationalism. The main are the security forces. They have deployed many security in the Naxal affected areas. They have also created certain forces called as CRPF, which are mainly for these areas. Also, there are various development initiatives taken in these areas. Various infrastructure, educational infrastructure, other hospitals, schools, etc. are built in these areas. Also, the land are all distributed among various workers in these areas. The surrender policy of the government. The government is providing various infrastructure to the main surrenders of the Naxalism. They are provided physiological, psychological support. They are provided with incentives and the other government jobs to surrender Naxalism. In conclusion to my topic, I would like to say that Naxalism will continue to be a great problem if the government would not work properly on it. They should be provided with equality, various socio-economic development, etc. Thank you.
Okay.